up guys, Johnny from TechSpace, and today before we are going to test these beautiful short course trucks from Arrma, I just want to congratulate the South African UFC champion in the middleweight division, Driekus du Plessis, for successfully defending his title against Israel Adesanya. So getting back to the truck, so we've got the recently announced, actually so recently, I think it's about 30 hours ago, the new Arrma Fury, which is a model based on the Gorgon chassis. Now I'll open up the body so you guys can see it soon. And I'm really excited to show you guys what the differences is between them, because they should technically, or on a specification level, be very similar in speed. Both trucks is two-wheel drive. Both trucks are brand new, and I'm really looking forward to see what the differences actually are. Now I just want to thank Nathan from Frankton Models in Hamilton for helping me to secure the Arrma Fury in good time. I really do appreciate it, mate. Now as you can see immediately, the Arrma Fury is definitely set up a little bit lower than the Arrma Senton. You can see they've got exactly the same DB boots, and I felt the compound of both tires and they feel exactly the same. Oh, we've got a friend. Hey, Mr. B-Man. Now, one thing that I also saw is that the greens on the two vehicles is actually different. Now, when I saw the marketing material on the green Fury, remember this is the one that doesn't come with the battery or the charger. The greens look very similar between the two vehicles, but there you can clearly see there is a difference in the colors. The Fury is more of a lime green color, and then you've got the Senton, which is more of a candy type of a green color. Another thing that you can notice with the Fury is that it has a clipless body system, so there's no clips that you can see there, and I'll show you guys how that works now. And there you've got the old Senton body, which has got the 4 clips. At least it's got its tethers in here, which will save the pins from getting lost. But yeah, that's also just something to note of both trucks. So I'm quickly going to open the two body shells and show you guys the chassis inside. So the Senton, as you guys know, it's got the tether clips. So I'll just quickly take that off. The body feels really light on that one. And there is the chassis. As you can see, it's a brand new vehicle. It's never been used. And if we go to the Fury, so this one has actually got quite an interesting setup. Now I just want to turn it around. So compared to the Gorgon, there's very much similarities. Obviously this chassis is a lot longer than the Gorgon, but something to note is you will see that these body clips underneath actually doesn't slide out totally. It stays in place. What it does is it just clicks out, and that's the limit. It can't go out any longer than that. Let me just take out the rear one there. All right, so there the body is now loose. Now if I take it off, there you can see how it actually works. So it's limited by the 90-degree bend, as you can see it there. So it goes in, it locks itself in. The same goes for the back. So there's no way that these can actually go out. Another thing that I saw with this chassis compared to the Gorgon is that the servo saver is not exposed on this Fury. So there you can see on the Gorgon, that one is actually exposed. And then this is obviously a longer chassis. So for those of you who have not seen the chassis comparison differences between these two, check my shorts. I've got the comparisons in there with the Gorgon and with the Senton and stuff like that, but you'll see it there. Then you've got some concussion bumpers here, but these really feel like hard plastic. There's absolutely no bend in these whatsoever. They are hard plastic, all right? And then you've got oil-filled shocks, which really feels nice. Like the Gorgon, I think the shocks on the Gorgon is really good. You've got telescopic drive shafts there as well. And obviously your toe and your camber is not adjustable on these. As you can see, it's solid plastic items. But I think this is really going to help with the durability. You've got a fully waterproof servo there from Spectrum. And this ESC and receiver combo system that works with the SLT2 remote is actually supposed to be waterproof as well, according to the information on the Arrma website. Now another thing is it's got a 14-turn 550 brush motor. What I like about this one compared to the Gorgon is that you actually get this nice looking Arrma cover, which didn't come with the Gorgon. It's just this open space in the Gorgon, but here you've got this nice looking cover with the Arrma logo on it. Everything is very neat. I like this setup. They definitely learned from the Gorgon, and you can see that this vehicle, the wiring and everything is much more neat. There's a lot more places where the wires clip in and stuff like that. And the good part about this body is as well, because it's got the bracing, it's not going to have the same problem as the Gorgon, which the body can often flip or bend inside and actually get stuck into, especially these heatsink fins of the ESC, which is also something that is really going to be nice with this vehicle. So if we look at the differences between the chassis of the Senton and the new Fury, is that the Senton has got a tub-like chassis with nice protection on the sides here to keep debris out. And then you've got the Fury, which is more like an open type of a chassis, but there isn't a lot of components in any way that can catch a lot of debris and dirt into the chassis, which is really good. And also you will see that you've got straps here for your battery, whereas with that one, it actually goes into the battery holder underneath, which I haven't had any problems with. I know there's a couple of people that say that theirs often would fall open during rough bashing, but I haven't had that issue before. And then you will also see that the type of the plastic that is being used, you've got a more grayish type of plastic with the Senton, and with the Fury you've got this black type of plastic, which is, I mean, probably just a composite difference or whatever, but I don't think it's much of a big difference. We've got a two-in-one ESC combo, exactly like the two-in-one ESC combo that you've got with the Fury. So this is derived from a four-wheel drive vehicle. You can clearly see this. This is a designed vehicle to be two-wheel drive. So I'm quite excited to see what the difference between the two is going to be on driving on gravel. I think that's going to be an interesting thing to observe with these two vehicles. Now, both of these vehicles have got really nice compound tires. It's exactly the same tires, and as you can see, the wheelbase of the two vehicles is also identical. Now for this speed test, I'm going to use a Gens Ace bashing battery with a 5500 milliamp hour size and a 50C discharge rate. Now this battery is fully charged, and I'm going to use this battery to run both vehicles. What I want to find out now is which one of these two is fastest. So let me know in the comments down below, before I run this test, which one of these two do you think is going to be the fastest and why? So without further ado, let's get the speed test going. Alright guys, so first up is the Senton. I've got the speed controller on 100% and I've got a full battery in it. So let's quickly see. GPS, yes, the GPS is going. So let's see what it can do. We'll just quickly get the steering right. Okay, it's a little bit off. As I said, it's the first time running the truck. Okay, that looks a lot better. Okay, so here we go, Senton. Whoa. Okay, let's bring it back. Oh, where's the grip, Senton? Okay, that's definitely full speed, but I'm going to give it another run just to see how it goes. Bring it back. Oh, some water. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Cool. The Senton is it's definitely tail happy. Right. Go through it again. That's definitely top speed. I'm going to bring it back. It's definitely tail happy. Okay, so what do you guys reckon? How much did we get on it? I'm gonna say 19.3 miles per hour. All right, so let's see what the Fury does. All right, so we've got the Fury on. Whoa! Oh, this thing looks to be really fun. Yes, the GPS measuring speed, so let's give it a go. Whoa! Handles. Oh. they've made a better vehicle than the Senton in terms of how, oh, look at it. Oh. Quite a lot faster by just how it feels. Jeez. Okay, let's get some water action. Oh yeah! Oh, it handles so much better than the Senton. Wow. On this surface, it's not even a comparison. It handles on this surface. Okay, let's see what the speed is. What do you guys reckon? 20.4 miles per hour. So it is about 1 mile per hour faster than what the Senton did. Oh. Oh, awesome vehicle. Oh, I love it. Really a fun little vehicle. It handles so well. I definitely prefer its handling compared to the Senton. Let's see if we can get some action shots here. Okay, let's bring it back up. Let's see if it will climb this. Oh, easy. Oh, watch out for the crash. Oh, what a car. Jeez. Arrma's just getting better and better with what they do. Okay, let's bring it down. Whoa. Awesome. Yeah. I love it, guys. What an awesome vehicle. For the price. Whoa. In the comments down below, which one of these two vehicles do you think performed best during this testing? Now obviously I had a first run at it, and I must say just the center of gravity that you've got on the Fury is really making it perform handling wise much better than the Senton, and also performance wise in terms of how fast it is. You could clearly see the 1 mile per hour difference between the two vehicles, and I honestly have to say, what has Arrma done here? Are they going to discontinue the Senton with the new Fury coming out? Because I cannot think why someone would pay that money, that little bit more money for that, than rather to have this. From what I've seen here today, Arrma has got a really good winner with that. Yes, we still must see how the durability is on it, but if it is anything like the Gorgon, that vehicle is going to be a stellar performer. And it's going to be really, really popular with RC enthusiasts and people that is new to the hobby. Now in the next video, we are going to do a size comparison between the new Arrma Fury and all of my other short course trucks. This is going to be a good one, guys. I don't think you guys have ever seen all of my short course trucks together. So make sure that you are subscribed so you can see all of them, for those of you who just love short course and trophy trucks. If you like this video, please give it a like. And also if you have not done so yet, please subscribe to my channel. I'm Johnny from TechSpace, and we'll see you in that video soon. Cheers, guys.